Hello children, this is Simran from Fortune High. Our today's subject is math and our today's topic is concept of tall and short. So children, today we are going to learn the concept of tall and short. So in this picture we can see a boy. His name is Sam and he has a pet cat. Okay children, so in the first picture we can see Sam's pet cat is stuck in a tree. So children, her cat is stuck in a tree. So Sam is trying to help her. Okay, so in second picture we can see Sam gets a ladder, but the ladder is short and the tree is tall. Yes children, we can see now the ladder is small and the tree is tall. So Sam thinks of something. Then he goes and gets a tall ladder. Then he climbs on the ladder and he carries his cat down in a basket. So when the tree was tall and the ladder was short, he couldn't get the cat down. Then he thought, yes, he has to get a tall ladder. And then he climbs on the ladder, children, and gets the cat down in the basket. Sam's cat is very happy because Sam saved her. And now children, I'm going to show you few more objects who are tall and short. The one whose height is big is a tall object and the height and whose height is small is a short object. Okay, so what can we see in this picture? There are two ladders. One is tall and other is short. And what can we see more in this picture? A tall tree and a short tree. The left side pictures are tall and the right ones are short. So now in this picture there are two boys. One is tall and the other one is short. The green t-shirt boy is tall and the purple shirt is short. And children, what can we see in this picture? There are two buildings. The small building is short and the big building is tall. Short and tall. So children, there are two clocks in the picture. One is a tall clock and the other is a short clock. And see children, we have one more picture of trees. One is a tall tree and the other is a short tree. Yes, what are these? Lovely flowers. One is a tall flower and the other is short. The red one is short and the yellow one is tall flower. Now who can tell me who are these? These are animals. The giraffe is having a good height, so the giraffe is tall and the tiger is short. And now children, it's activity time. So we have two activities. So in the first activity we have to take the taller objects, children. Okay, so what can we see? There is one rabbit and a giraffe. Who is taller? Giraffe. And other picture, two boys have won the Superman's picture. Batman and a small Superman. So the Batman is taller. And in other picture we have two trees. We have to take the taller one. Okay. And there are now two carrots. We have to take the taller one. Which is the taller crayon, children? Green or orange? Yes, green one. And there are two buildings. We have to take the taller one. And in other activity, children, we have to take the smaller objects. There are two trophies. We have to take the shorter one. Okay. Yes, and there are two rockets. We have to take the shorter one, the short one. Two lollipops. Which is the tall one and which is short one, children? Pink is tall and blue is short. Yes, so we have to take the short one. We have two pandas. So we have to take the shorter one. And we have two ice creams. So we have to take the short one, children. I hope you enjoyed the video, children. Thank you.